What's up? So today is Friday, December 5th. I'll be trading the Nasdaq like I always do. So coming into the session, I'm bullish until we hit this high up here. I mean, after we hit this high, I'm not too sure how confident I am in honestly anything. Because I feel like higher time frame we're moving bullish, but at the same time, I feel like on the weekly, I don't know if this candle is going to close all the way over, like, at the edge of this candle. I mean, it could. I pretty much need to watch price action play out, but... So, I mean, there is a data high up here, which is going to be a good target. And we do have a 5-minute gap. I honestly might get a trade pretty quick. It's just so close to news, if I were to take this. I might try this. I'm gonna try this. I mean, I could be moving more contract. I'm just gonna target that data high up here. I'll show my executions. Oh, we took the data high on ES. I gotta get out break even. Yeah. I probably could have held the data high. I definitely could have held. Yeah, I mean, I definitely could have held the data high. Honestly, though, that SMT just scared me. It's whatever. Because the only thing is, I feel like in my trading plan, at least when there's an SMT at the high, I like to go break even. And I just thought I was going to stop the break even. Honestly, I didn't play that right. Yeah, I didn't play that right, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what that was. That's kind of annoying. That was actually, I think that was one of the sloppiest executions I think I've had on live stream. I'm not gonna lie. So I wonder though, when I got out, I could have moved my stops to break even and just held. I thought I was gonna get break even stopped. You said, why did you enter here? Well, so we tapped into a 5-minute gap right here. I feel like higher time frame, we're trending to this high up here. I mean, like, I feel like look at the 1 hour too, like, and that's a pretty prominent high on the higher time frame. And then there's also this data high because there was 10 a.m. news up here. So it, like, the way I trade data highs and lows, so like the highs and lows left behind the Dow's candles are strong draws and liquidity. So we inverted the highest time frame gap separating us from there. So I feel like, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually got really scared when I saw ES took the data high at the same time. I feel like that setup happened really quick because it was on a 30-second, but yeah, I'm mad at myself though, because like when I actually took this, I saw that I should have moved my stops to break even instead of exiting. I don't know why I exited the position. I genuinely don't know why I did that. I think it's because I wasn't I just kind of, I literally started streaming, got the entry 5 seconds in. I don't know why. I don't know why I closed out that trade. That was such. Oh, I'm really mad at myself, honestly. And you know, the thing is, I feel like now that we took. Good morning, Andrew Stinky. How are you? But so we took this high up here on both NQ and ES. So I feel like honestly, it's kind of hard for me to take continuation longs at this point. He said, no worries, we'll get the next one. I appreciate that. He said, and Andrew Stinky said, currently I have $300 with 1 loss and 3 wins. Lock myself out and gonna enjoy my weekend. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I know it's so early in the session, but I'm sitting here thinking I might just not get a trade today. Because like, we hit the obvious draw is already taken. And like, if we mark out session highs and lows, that's not session highs and lows. So like we took London low, Asia low, London high, Asia high, and now we took this higher time. Like what else is there as a draw though? He said, good luck with your trade. Thank you. And the thing is, sometimes too, I take like rebalance trades. You said just took a week high? Yeah, weekly high, yeah. And the thing is, I feel like, so I'm bullish higher time frame. But the thing is, like, am I really willing to take longs, like, after we took this weekly high, like, all the way up here? Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised that we're still going through this high and not, like, reacting off it. to be completely honest, I think I'm just gonna end the stream now, even though I know I just started, because one, we took this draw up here, and there's no other targets really, and like I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of tilted that because that other trade. I mean, I guess I'll give a breakdown of the trade I took, but I'm honestly tilted. I closed instead of just moving stops to break even. So I mean, essentially, so the trade I took, so I waited until after the 10 a.m. news came out. So after 10 a.m. news came out, we pretty much pushed down, tapped into a 5-minute gap. So I base all my trades off of 5 and 15-minute fair value gaps. So like higher time frame on bullish, we're delivering from a 5-minute gap very clearly, right? Like you can see we tapped into it, we're immediately delivering from it. And then on the 30-second, this is the highest time frame gap we put in on this leg down, and we immediately inverted it. Like I talk about this, I feel like every day. Like I love trades where we immediately invert that fair value gap. So we closed through it almost immediately. I got that entry. So typically I like to go break even when we take the internal high or low on NQ or ES that's like connected to this price leg, right? So so what happened here was at like 10:02, right? Yeah, we took this high on ES. So honestly, so the mistake I made today that is the reason I'm tilted is if we look at my executions, right? So I took this trade, I entered about right here, and then you can see I closed at 95, which is all the way up here. So typically my trading plan tells me I need to go break even. I don't full close. So honestly, I genuinely, I actually don't have an answer for why I full closed instead of moving stops to break even. I guess honestly, I guess maybe subconsciously I thought that I just wanted to secure a green day, because I know I shouldn't think like this, but my P&L calendar, like I know I should take this as a win, but like I've taken all these trades live on a stream. This is 1 week, 2 week. I mean, there was Thanksgiving and Black Friday. I took these Tuesdays off, but essentially this is 3 weeks with no red days. So like I had that in the back of my mind, and honestly, I think that really was getting to me today. I think that's part of the reason why I didn't execute properly, is because I just had that in the back of my mind. Like I gotta finish today green. I was thinking that. So and then I essentially, I mean, if I didn't move my stops to break even though, I'm sorry, if I didn't full close instead of move my stops to break even, at that point I would have just held this high and I would have secured like over a 1-to-1. So if I risked properly, I would have went up like 600. So I missed out on like $500 today on 5 express funded accounts. It's my mistake though, I mean, but I mean, I just can't do it again. Like in my mind though, sometimes I feel like I like to think of a reason, like why did I do that? But I don't know why I did that. I should have moved stops to break even. I guess maybe I don't know. Does anyone have any questions on anything though? I know I'm ending so early. I just want to end the week. I mean, I'm tilted too, and that's one thing that like I realize when I become tilted. Like I was sitting here thinking, like, am I really gonna be able to execute properly? Like the combination of me questioning if I can properly execute, and we've already taken the clear draw, like there's absolutely no reason for me to keep trading. Like unprofitable traders, they would sit here and they would keep trading, but me, like I can recognize, one, I can't think straight, and two, the conditions aren't the best, so I'm just gonna walk away. Like I'm not losing money today. But I guess, so no one probably has any questions, not many people here, but I do appreciate everyone stopping by, and if you guys are looking for a prop firm to trade with, my favorite prop firm is Alpha Futures, and if you use discount code TINV272, gets you 10% off all evaluations, or where the best current discount is, so I highly recommend checking out Alpha Futures, and yeah, have a good rest of your day, guys. Have a good weekend.